Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, thank you. Well, we're going to talk about web forms today and how you can fill them out more proficiently rather than clicking all over the place. So how can you do this and how can you make this happen? Now, I couldn't find like a specific web form. I'm going to use a pizza place I order pizza from pretty often, Colorado Springs, called Pies and Grinders. And this is just a scenario of how you can use this when you're on your keyboard. You have boxes you need to fill out. Well, you can proficiently and quickly fill this out by just typing your first name, hitting tab, it's going to jump to the next box, and then tab and tab and tab through those different portals where you need to fill them out instead of having to move and click, just to speed up your proficiency. Now, let's say if you mess one up, it's very easy to go back. You just hit Shift-Tab, and it's going to jump back to the previous box that you were working on before. Allows you just to be able to move a little bit more seamlessly, maybe take a headache out of the place trying to figure out where your cursor is whenever you're filling out these endless web forms that you might have to do inside of your job here, there, or all the time. Helpful for you too. If you have any questions, concerns, want to learn more, or overall, if you have any IT concerns that might be hitting you in the side all the time, we'd love to chat with you to see if Colorado Computer Support could be a potential good fit to help you out. If you'd like to chat, feel free to give us a call, 719-439-0599, or you can find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, as always, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. We'll see you next week and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.